Hello, dragons, griffins, and phoenixes. Welcome. Uh, you may have noticed that I've changed the name of the channel from mythology to fantastical nests because I decided I don't want to just stick to mythological creatures but also venture into the realm of fantasy. But today we'll be still be sculpting mythological creature, but we'll be traveling east. We'll be sculpting a Chakora bird, a creature of beauty and legend in Indian mythology. It is said that a Chakora bird survives on the light of the moon, and it's known for its elegant shape and graceful appearance, which I'll try to create here today. And my plan is to start by sculpting the small stuff like the wings, feet, tail, the crown feathers, and such small things before I get to the actual body of the bird. I'm putting away these small stuff that I have sculpted into an airtight box so that they don't dry out and crack before I can start working on the body. Story goes that one day Moon felt very lonely and started crying. The teardrops reached Earth, and the Chakora bird was born of these teardrops and the longing for company of the moon. So the Chakora bird longs for the moon as well, and the song of the Chakora bird is said to be legendary on the full moon. It's said to be very ethereal, but the bird loses its voice to sing on new moon days. So to represent that, I am using only 2 or 3 colors today, mostly white and blue to represent the moonlight. And the crystals I just showed, I'll be adding a crystal on the Chakora bird's head. This crystal is also blue, just to indicate that a place where the bird probably imbibes the moon rays, just a representation. So here I'm just dusting the feathers with blue pastel color. And that's the bird once it has dried completely and I've applied a coat of varnish. Hope you like it. Thank you and see you soon.